Drive with confidence, car insurance you can trust. Accidents happen, but with the right car insurance, you're always covered. At Prism Insurance Agency, we offer protection that keeps you on the road worry-free. Protect your vehicle from accidents, theft, and unexpected damage. Avoid financial burdens in case of injury or property damage to others. Get help when you need it, from flat tires to emergency towing. Choose the coverage that fits your driving habits and budget. No matter where the road takes you, we've got your back. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out on a road trip, the right coverage ensures you drive with confidence and security. To learn more, visit our website w.myprisminsurance.com or text us at 951-243-28, California license number 0I0643.